Yippee-ki-yay, motherfucker.
Hey guys, Big Nation here, bringing you a quick video of Techno Kitty Adventure. This game is a couple of years old. I used to play it when I was younger, but I kind of quit because I get distracted fairly easily when it comes to flying objects across the screen. But I just want to talk to you guys about Minecraft. I have completed the Minecraft spawn area. Actually, sorry, I have one more thing to do, but I have basically completed it. And I was wondering when you guys feel like I should upload a video or open the world to you guys, because I think it'd be pretty cool playing with myself. It's pretty awesome in my opinion. Yeah, I would be playing more Minecraft. It would have been 10 in Glasgow, but I've been playing too much Modern Warfare 3. There's been clan ops and all that, right? Yeah, I'm bad at this game. Sorry. But if you haven't already, please leave a sub and drop a like. And I'll just let you watch the rest of this video, please.